Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to extract data from reports and send them via PDF.co using Make integration. Make is an advanced online automation platform. It helps you seamlessly connect your apps/services and automate manual processes without the need for code. It is a very popular platform for integrating various online services together. Make works by linking together your favorite apps and services. It has a visual editor that helps you create and design your workflow and watch it work in real time. So, let's get started. To begin, let's start by creating a new scenario. Next, search and select the PDF.co app. Then, choose to parse a document module. Let's set up the document parser configuration. First, select Import a file from URL in the Input File field. This will be followed by entering the source file link in the URL field. Then, enter the template ID in the document parser template ID. You can create a template ID in your PDF.co document parser page. For the output format field, choose your desired format. In my case, I will use the JSON format. Now, run the module and it will automatically extract the selected value in the table. Let's add another module. Search and select the Gmail module. Next, choose the Send an Email module. To set up the Gmail module configuration, first, tick the checkbox for Show Advanced Settings. Next, enter the email address that you will use for sending the email in the From field. Then, input the recipient's email address in the To field. Now, type in the email subject in the Subject field. Finally, type in the message and incorporate the PDF.co parsed value in the Content field. After setting up, click the Run button to see the result. Once the request is processed correctly, Gmail will return its parsed value and message ID. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.